will you still be?
This is awesome. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Maddie, and I'm here with another YouTube video. Okay guys, so this video is going to be a tutorial how to upload videos onto YouTube. It's real simple and easy, and a lot of you requested in my last video where I did how to monetize your videos. So here is the video you've been asking for. Let's begin. First, I'm going to start with opening up the YouTube tab and clicking on the Creator Studio. You can do this on your phone. I'm just showing you guys on my computer because it's bigger and you guys can see better. So go to the Creator Studio. In whatever account you're logged into, remember guys, you can't upload this video again, so make sure it's the account you want it to be uploaded on. So if I have the second account and I uploaded it on the second one, but instead I meant to do this one, I can't upload it again. It's going to say this video has already been uploaded to YouTube. So you got to be careful with that. Now you're going to click on the upload button up here. It should look something like this, and you're going to upload the video. I'll give you guys a tip: always put it on private because you don't know what can happen. You don't know if you're going to get the thumbnail ready in time or the title and everything else. So we're going to click upload file. So now it's going to open up to all your documents and downloads, and you're going to find the right video. Be careful while you're doing this because there's so many times where I've been in a big rush and I've clicked on the wrong video and it's starting to upload and I didn't realize it, and then I have to go back and delete it and all that other stuff. So it's not fun. So take your time with this and find the right video. Okay, and I'm going to pick this video to show you guys a sample. So this is how it's going to look when it starts uploading. It's going to be like at 0%, and it's also going to be private. I'll tell you guys more about it later, what you can do with the private and, you know, get it ready and everything. But right now we're going to focus on the title. Now the title is tricky. Think about the title as in like, what did you talk about the most in the video, or what did you do in the video that was like the main thing. So in this video, my sister is having her birthday party, so I'm just gonna say something like my little sister's birthday party. Okay, so let's write birthday party with my little sister. Because then people will be like, oh, she's having the party with the little sister, and, you know, it's sort of like a vlog type. You don't want to say sister turning like 8 or something like not catchy. You want to have birthday in there, so, you know, when people type in birthday, your video comes up. So you want to have something catchy and people want to click on and stuff, but do not do clickbait, because clickbait will turn away so many people so fast. So that's going to be my title for the video, and let's work on the description. For the description box, I've always done this, okay? So I've copied the title and I paste it in the description box, so it matches up. You know, like when you watch an episode of something, you click on what it's about, it says the title of the episode first. Well, that's what kind of I was thinking about, you know, like a little bit like that. So that's why I copy the title and I paste it in the description box. Don't ask me why, I just think it looks more professional. Always want to explain what's going on in the video, because if like you fly a kite or you're trying out a new drone or something in the video, you want to describe it and talk about it in the description box. So when people type in that on YouTube search, your video could possibly come up. You're just earning yourself more views. Okay, so you always want to thank your audience for watching and stuff, but make sure you find out if you want to talk to multiple people or one person. Like here I say, I hope you guys all enjoyed, and then down there I say you can follow me on social media platforms. Now you see, I'm talking to one person, then I'm talking to multiple people. You got to make up your mind, and here I'm just going to talk to one person because I feel like it's more effective and personal. Okay, and you always want to leave your social media platforms down below. Totally take advantage of that so people can follow you on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, whatever. They can follow you and they can be more connected and see more into your life. After you have the description box filled, the tags is a completely another story, guys. I will talk to you guys about the tags in another video. That video, I mean, I can make a whole video about tags, so if you guys would like to see that, just comment down below. And now I'm going to show you guys how to like premiere it or schedule it or put it on, you know, unlisted. So I'm going to do schedule, and let's say it's going to come out today, like sometime today. And then after you have this done, there's a magical button that I completely suggest. It's called the premiere button. As soon as you click on the premiere button and click done, people can see the thumbnail of the video and the title and get excited for it, which is awesome. But it's totally dangerous if your video is not ready yet. You can see here's the suggested thumbnails that I'm going to do, and I'm going to click on the one that looks the most accurate, which is obviously the one where she's blowing out the candles. That one, they're all good thumbnails. It's just the one in the middle, you know, my brothers and stuff. That's not really interesting looking, but the one with her in the cake looks really interesting, so I'm going to click on this one. The rest of the stuff is smooth sailing. You go over here, you click on the English. I just do English. I mean, obviously there's something else in the video. And you set it for that, and you go over here, and then you click on the monetization, and you make sure that all the monetization is on. It's not longer than 10 minutes, so you can't do more than one ad, but that's okay. I do skippable ads, plain ads, you know, all sorts of ads. And then over here is the information box. Fill out as much as you can, guys, because the more information you give, the more viewers you are going to get. So I tend to pick out all of it and think about like what it's under. I do people and vlogs because, you know, obviously it's my family and stuff. And sign out the date, sign out all that good stuff, so you will get more people into your video. Once you're done with everything, click on the done button on the top. Okay, and there you have it. Your video is now uploaded to YouTube, and it is going to premiere soon. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. We do a lot of fun stuff here, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!